I just think we have to go home. Oh shit. I can't get out. Oh, maybe we'll put the window back up. We're cutting these people off. I'm sorry. Let me just kind of come through here. I almost got hit. Whoa, their back window's gone. Remember that time the world ended? And there were zombies and sirens?
I'm like sending this to everyone I know. To show them what I've gone through. Yep, some crazy shit.
Here's that massive tree.
I don't know. Oh my god.
Well, we're coming to a goddamn damn. Got an ambulance coming up behind us. The good thing is, now would be a good time to loot a bank or something. They're way too busy. You want to fuck up a bank?
Sure. Are there any banks local?
There are, actually.
Oh, here's something going on.
I mean, we can't get Mom. We just have to go home.
I mean, what are we gonna do?
I mean, let's say there are zombies. Preferably, I'm just going to fend for myself.